major problem was we do not have enough data. Like there was a time when we have to copy paste tweet from Twitter.
That
Okay,
would be tedious, right?
that was a time we used to do that because
Oh my.
actually we did that. And there are many times we go to a library and we used to scan photos and upload it on our system. And then so there are so when you talk about the data set, like when you get a data set from Kaggle, remember that there are people who are actually manually doing that as of now.
Yeah.
Wow.
So there was a time at that. Like so right now it's and AI is not a magic. It cannot do everything. We are very, very far away from Skynet. Okay, we are very far away from Skynet.
Yeah.
There is not going to happen an apocalypse like in a recent time. Second, don't think AI, because when you talk about AI, not everyone will be a programmer. We will need different sets of people. Why I'm talking about this right now, because I know that there are few people who will go through the session, today's session. They will understand things. They will be able to do basic codes. But when you talk about the advanced, it's not. Sometimes you're not meant for that. You're not. You have an expertise in something else. So when AI will evolve, in near future you will be getting more options. Like you will become an AI advocate or AI activist. Okay, so there are. I know that there are few things that I am talking is very new, but there are a group of people, we call them AI activists, who are actually making sure that AI does not impact human life, and they have been doing a lot of work.
Oh.
Okay,
Wow.
not that you train some data, you start coding, you do object detection, you do face detection. There are many things around it. So there are people, and those people, like if you want to be, and those people are equally important as the programmers.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second, I know that right now you do not have much of a questions. Like there are not much of a question from the attendees. But in case you have a future, like if you have any question anytime, anywhere, like anytime in your journey towards AI, if you have anything that you want to ask, the Mihir will share the email address, and I have asked few of my team, like few of my colleagues. So I working with a team on a project. It's basically an independent help that I'm providing to them, which is working on lost languages. So languages which is not, like right now they are dead languages. People do not know much about it. There is no data set available, and there is a team of MIT which is working on that.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have asked few of them that, so if in case you have any doubt in near future about any topic related to AI, you can mark the mail. There will be a code that you have to mention to make sure that we read it. Like because the email ID that I am providing is a personal email address, so I made a forwarder to my official email address for that particular hashtag, like for the particular tag. Okay. Second thing, whatever you are learning right now, don't think it is a very basic thing, because at the end of the day, it's those things which will be the foundation. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Like CNN, RNN, you will learn about many new words, like you word about ReLU and all, but you have to make sure that you relate it to your real life. Like why you're doing it. When you talk about computer vision, for you, a taxi is going and there is someone is crossing. It is very simple for you that you know that the car will stop. But for a computer or for a system, it is very hard. It is like you will understand. It is very intriguing that computer are facing trouble at very minimal things. Even picking up a spoon is very hard task for them.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically you are raising a kid.
That's a great analogy. Yeah.
That's on point. That's really on
So be
point.
patient. These guys are with you on your journey. We are with you. Like if you need any help, and don't worry, Indians are great in AI because we know math very well. हमारी जिंदगी में हम बहुत सारी चीजें करते रहते हैं. And make sure to read all like on a weekly basis, read some papers, read some research paper. Even if you do not understand, you can ask for help, but do make sure, because what I see when, like, I have been to many events, and when I see the content, it's very basic. For me, it will be basic because I have been doing it from a long time. But when you talk about AI, the content that you are looking at and the thing that we are doing right now is totally different. So bridge the gap. Make sure you will be updated with all the things. We have Twitter API, but at the time I was an engineer, it has very, like, it was not the case. Okay, it was never the case that Twitter API was not the
Yeah.
thing at that time. Okay.
Yeah, when was this time actually to better get
While I
idea?
was in college, I was in college.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
So
so it was a very, very long time. There are few workaround that we had, like there are few workaround, but at that time you need to basically scrap.
yeah, so there was no official Twitter
No
API.
official, no, at that time. So there are few people like you who does this, like who on a part-time project, they create some scrapper, they create some bot to get those data. But at that time it was very hard. Right now it is very simple. You have every book available in ebooks. Okay. And one more thing, which will be a surprise, like I have not spoke to about it to Mihir and all. Uh, After this event, after this event happened, if any one of you chooses to go for a project, no matter how impossible it look like, you will be having my support, because right now I'm very free. I came last year to it, I was on my sabbatical supposed to end last March, but it lockdown happened, and from that time to till today I'm stuck here. So I am very free. If you have any project
Oh,
and you want to do it, I will be there for you. Me and other people whom I know, they will be there for you. Last thing, do not try to go learn everything in AI. Not You do not need to an expert on computer vision or NLP. Choose your forte, choose your division, and go for it. Do not need to know everything in AI. And I can tell you, because recently Udacity, like you might be getting this interview, I have completed 7 Udacity nano degrees last year. Okay, 7 degrees, 7 nano degrees, and they even retweeted this tweet. I have sent this tweet to me, and it was about flying car, autonomous car, then machine learning engineer.
yeah.
So basically, I was so free that I have done everything that I get my hands on. Okay, so do not do that mistake, because right now I know that I will not be working on autonomous car or self or flying car as of now. I'm not seeing my future to driving a flying car or create or develop a flying car. Okay. Any question that you have? Okay. How to read a research paper? What I can do is, if you guys have for you, if you guys have any YouTube channel, because I cannot put it on my things, we can upload a video where I will tell you how to read your research paper.
Yeah, that will be great. We have
Okay.
our own YouTube channel as well.
The best thing
Yeah.
that you can do is use this website, and I'm sure that many people know that. Okay, why I'm telling this website?
Yeah.
Because when you talk about there are multiple companies working on that, and this is a single place where you can get every detail, every research paper. What will be the odds of doing AI as business like service based? We are doing it, like people are doing it. There are many companies who is working on only chatbots. They are creating chatbots. I know a guy, Aman Goel, who is running a Cogno AI company, which is giving if you use any of the bank in India, there are 10 out of 10 chances that you're using his bot. So it's basically they are outsourcing those things. No, I'm telling because someone asked for this. So there are huge chances, but you need to be expert in only one thing. You cannot do everything. Okay. Any other question? Okay. Any other question, Nona? Okay.
Yeah, I guess if you have any question, you can put it in the chat box. Yeah, we'll wait for I guess few more
Yeah.
some more time, and yeah, you can ask question later too, Kanva, and we'll be sharing Nitesh sir's mail ID to you, and we'll be sharing instructions how to send him a mail with you will have to write a code which is MLFest 21 in your subject, and then ask all your doubts that you want. We'll be sharing that in chat as well. And Nitesh sir was grateful enough to share his mail ID to us as well, and uh, you know about any, and he's open to any discussions regarding ML or AI or anything you want. I guess
Right.
Sai has some question.
Uh, it is regarding final project. So guys, I cannot be helping you with the final year project because even I copy pasted it from somewhere. I really don't know who was the noble soul who created this. So don't worry. Every college does that. You're not the new one. We does that. Everyone does that. And final paper, yeah, you can do that. You can go for it. But basically, I think IEEE is for electrical engineers, right? Not for the AI. Sai, it is very good, but if you're learning about TensorFlow, like rather than going for a one particular library, first understand the basic and then go for, like, you have many things. You have many other libraries available, PyTorch and all. So do not limit yourself to a library. Understand the logic, and everything will be simple for you. Okay, anything else? Yeah, it is easy to predict stock prices. In AI field, we call it quant AI, like quanting, like you can say, it's a word quant, which basically they use where you use AI to predict stock prices, and even big company Goldman Sachs, and then many big company use that.
Yeah, I guess Arman is also
Okay,
asking, can you
so
recommend some
what
good
I can
books
do
for
is
AI?
for books, I will see, and like it basically depend upon your fields, which field you are in, which field you want to go for. Like rather than asking a book right now, you can ask a book after the session because you will know which field you want to go for. Because for computer vision, there will be a different book, and I need to ask a different person who is an expert on that. For NLP, there will be a different book, and I can help you with that. Okay. GPT-3 project, it is very close. Yeah, I do not know about Google, but Google work on many things, and it is possible to do with the team of 10 people. You need to make sure that those 10 people are very passionate about AI. Which one domain should we go according to you in ML? Basically, ML is the bigger version. Then we have AI, and the very small sector is deep learning. So you can go like everything is same. The algorithm and the basics are same. Nothing changes. Only thing is it require, like with deep learning, you have different algorithm, different architecture, and different way to tackle a problem. Agriculture company in India, there are many companies who are working in agriculture. I recently know about a guy from IIT Delhi who raised a fund, and there are many companies who are working on agriculture. There in the world, there are many companies who are working on agriculture with AI. Any language is good. Any language is good. You can code in JavaScript. You can code in Kotlin. You can code in Dart. You can code in any language. So language is just way of communication. Do not restrict कि मुझे Python आनी चाहिए to do an AI programming. No, it's not. You can do in any language you want. Why Python is very famous? Because the researcher who are working on AI, they do not have time to learn a new language. And apart from Python, every language have a very steep learning curve. You need to invest more time on understanding the language. So that's why they're using Python. Okay. 12 fields available in AI. There are many fields. I told you that you can go for computer vision, you can go for a flying car, you can go for autonomous car, you can go for information retrieval, you can go for so sector is unlimited. You can go to any sector. You will not be limited that I will be able to go in hospitality or medical or agriculture. Okay, this you can ask later on. Okay, this assemble modeling I cannot tell you in detail because that will take much of a time. Any comment on AI? AI and cyber security people are doing it. You can just Google it. In which field you're expert at? I am not expert at any field. I know people who are expert in many fields. So it's not about you being an expert. I find myself more on a NLP, and like I have an interest in NLP as well as computer vision. But I'm not very expert in computer vision. I know people who are like he has a PhD in computer vision, so he knows more than that. But NLP I have been doing from a long time. And right now I'm handling a team, so I just need to be updated. I need to make sure that my colleague think that I'm the smartest. No offense. Okay. It's good to use direct library. Yeah, it is. Basically, do not try to recreate the you do not need to reinvent the wheel. If there is a someone has already done something, rather than wasting your time creating the same thing, use that code and work on it. Yes, any future for electronics engineer, you have IoT, you will be having electronics devices, and if quantum computing become a part, you will have more option available. Uh, Alakya, Mihir, and Athar will definitely tell you about this. I am itself doing BTech in AI and data structure. Basically, I know there are a few university who does that. Okay, any other question? I'm leaving few questions because those questions will be answered while when you do this course. So I'm leaving those questions. Okay, I'm just looking how to start with NLP. Manoj, it will be answered like they have a. I saw their content and they have that. Okay, LTSM they have uh, long term. Okay, what type of stuff do AI startup work on? It can be space exploration. It can be anything. Okay, it is you do not have a limit. There are people who are trying to create medicines for COVID using AI, so it's no limit.
Right.
And computer is working on image only. No, it can be anything. It can be videos. It basically any visual information. Any visual information. Internship in AI, there are companies who are doing it. If you want, I can recommend few companies later on. I know few companies who are working on this. What is Octave? It's no, ऐसा नहीं है कि Octave is beginner friendly. Everything if just go with it. Everything if you can say beginner friendly. If you need to look for the right option or right resources. What problem should we consider for project? Do not look out for many problem. You have all the problem around you. When I was doing the 6 nano degree, I have only 10 months in my hand. So what I did, I created an algorithm which merged few lectures so that I don't have to waste my time on that, and created a custom path for me to do it. I have to do because you cannot do 7 nano degrees like in a stretch.
Back to
I
it.
cannot sit down for 10-12 hours.
Yeah.
Scope for fresher in AI and ML. Basically, AI will be all about your skills. It's not about your fresher or an experience. Deep learning, I cannot deep learning is best. So Andrew Ng is one of my teacher. He taught me when I visited Stanford for an event. He taught me many things. So it is a very good thing. Okay, and he respond to email as well. If you want, I can share the email of Andrew sir. I really not sure if he will be comfortable sharing the phone number. But if you have I can ask if you have a public phone number. I can surely do that. I have started AI not registered. We do have work in June. Ajink, you can talk to me afterwards. We can have a discussion about it, and I will, if required, I will be there for you. What are the most used library? TensorFlow and whatnot, PyTorch and TensorFlow. I know that they are mostly used. Okay, I told you that job is available. And what are the most famous project? Anything is famous. You can go for object detection. People are doing it. Copy pasted the code from somewhere and they label it that they have done it. Nothing else I can see.
I guess, guys, that's if we continue with the questions, this won't end today because we'll be sharing the mail of Mr. Nilesh sir, and Atharva, can you share it in chats? Just make
Yeah,
sure
just one
that
second.
While mailing.
Okay, I just give you the last answer about Julia. So Julia is a language. Okay, it is basically used for your analysis purpose. Like you used to have R. There is a new language in town which is Julia. Okay, so it's not be a big thing. It is basically a language is depend upon your community. Like the more people use it, Python was like you can say it is an older language than Java. Python came way before other languages, but still
Yeah.
right now it's a very one of the most used language,
Yeah.
or one of the it because you have a very big community around it. Right, so it's not any language. It's basically the community that drives things, like your Bitcoin and all. Okay.
Yeah, I guess like if anyone has any more questions, you can mail them directly to Nitesh sir, and they'll be happy to answer all of your queries. And thanks a lot, Nitesh sir, for taking time out and talking with us and being with us today, and motivating all our attendees today for learning AI. And
Thank you for being such an open person with us and giving all the insights about not just with the AI domain, but also with your personal experience and life in general. Thanks a lot,
Take
Nilesh sir.
care. Bye.
bye. Thanks.
All the best. Huh?
Thank you so
All the
much.
best.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you so much.